Hello everyone, this is Ida from JT Meteorological Company. Today I will also read some more articles in our website with customers. Okay, today let's let's check our website, the zxferroalloy.com, and click the blog. First, let's choose the article that today we read. Um, okay, the first I want to read the article is the ferrochrome uses in industrial production. It's published on 24 June 24. Yes, and let's start. Ferrochrome. Yeah, it's about ferrochrome uses. First, it's about the introduction of ferrochrome. Ferrochrome is an alloy of chromium and iron. It's an indispensable material in modern industrial production. Its unique properties, including high corrosion resistance, hardness, and strength, make it a critical component in various applications. This article explores the application and significance of ferrochrome in industrial production. Then the essential component in stainless steel production. The primary application of ferrochrome is in the production of stainless steel, which accounts for about 85% of its global consumption. Stainless steel, renowned for its durability and resistance to corrosion, is used in a wide range of industries, including construction, automotive, aerospace, and consumer goods. The addition of ferrochrome to the steel production process enhances the material's resistance to oxidation and corrosion, ensuring the longevity and reliability of stainless steel products, enhancing enhancing durability in construction. In the construction industry, ferrochrome is vital for producing high-quality stainless steel used in structural components, decorative elements, and infrastructure projects. The corrosion-resistant properties of stainless steel make it ideal for use in environments exposed to moisture and harsh weather conditions, from skies, crops, and bridges to residential building and public infrastructure. Ferrochrome enhanced stainless steel provides the durability and aesthetic appeal necessary for more modern construction. The third is about critical for automotive and aerospace industries. The automotive and aerospace industries rely heavily on ferrochrome for manufacturing parts that require high strength and resistance to extreme conditions. In the automotive sector, ferrochrome is used to produce components such as exhaust systems, engine parts, and structural elements. These parts must withstand high temperatures, corrosion, and mechanical stress, making ferrochrome an essential material. Similarly, in the aerospace industry, the use of ferrochrome in aircraft components ensures safety, reliability, and performance under demanding conditions. Then, the vital for industrial machinery and tools. The vital for industrial machinery and tools. Ferrochrome is also crucial in the production of industrial machinery and tools. The hardness and strength imparted by ferrochrome make it ideal for manufacturing cutting tools, drill bits, and other equipment used in heavy industries. These tools must maintain their sharpness and integrity even when subjected to intense wear and tear. By by incorporating ferrochrome, manufacturers can produce durable and efficient tools that enhance productivity and performance in various industrial applications. Then, the ferrochrome role in energy sector. Energy, energy sector. The energy sector, including oil and gas exploration, power generation, and renewable energy projects, also benefits from the properties of ferrochrome. In oil and gas exploration, stainless steel components made with ferrochrome are used in pipelines, drilling rigs, and storage tanks due to their resistance to corrosion and high pressure. In power generation, particularly in nuclear and thermal power plants, ferrochrome-enhanced materials are used for their ability to withstand extreme temperatures and corrosive environments. The last is the ferrochrome used in environmental benefits. It's about beyond its industrial applications. Ferrochrome contributes to sustainability and environmental protection. The corrosion resistance of ferrochrome enhanced stainless steel reduces reduces the need of frequent replacements and repairs, thereby minimizing waste and resource consumption. Additionally, stainless steel is 100% recyclable, and the use of ferrochrome in its production supports the circular economy by promoting the reuse of valuable materials. In conclusion, ferrochrome is a critical material in industrial production, playing a vital role in enhancing the properties of stainless steel and other alloys. Its applications span across various industries, including construction, automotive, aerospace, industrial machinery, and energy. The unique characteristics of ferrochrome, such as corrosion resistance, hardness, and strength, make it indispensable for producing durable and high-performance products. As industries continue to advance and innovate, the demand for ferrochrome is expected to remain robust, underscoring its importance in modern industrial production. Hello everyone. If you are interested in ferrochrome and want to know the price of ferrochrome, please contact us. Please contact us. Uh, whatever the whatever the contact with on website or uh, message. Anyways, is okay. If you are interested in ferrochrome and other ferroalloys, please don't hesitate to contact us. Yes, it's the first article and it's over. Then let's choose another. Let's choose the second article. If anyone is interested in these articles on our blog, please please click our website and click the blog. Read it with me. Okay. Okay, the second article I want to read for you is the difference between ferromanganese nitrate and ferromanganese. Yes, this author interests me. It's public. It's published on 17 June. Yeah, and actually, I also curious about the difference between ferromanganese nitrate and ferromanganese before. And this article introduced actually this article told us the difference between ferromanganese nitrate and ferromanganese. Answered the question. Okay, okay, let's start. Ferromanganese nitrate is an alloy additive mainly composite. Ferromanganese nitrate is an alloy additive mainly composed of nitrogen, manganese, and iron. Compared with the traditional ferromanganese alloy, the addition of nitrogen gives it unique properties. First, ferromanganese nitrate has a high melting point, good thermal stability, and strong antioxidant ability, and can remain stable in high temperature environments, effectively avoiding the loss of traditional alloys during the steel making process. Second, the addition of ferromanganese nitrate can significantly improve the mechanical properties of steel, such as hardness, strength, and toughness, thereby improving the quality and service life of the final product. Third, ferromanganese nitrate has good compatibility. compatibility. Ferromanganese nitrate has good compatibility with molten steel and is easy to be evenly distributed in the steel. Therefore, ferromanganese nitrate is often used in steel production, especially special alloy steel, stainless steel, and heat-resistant steel. Then the difference in chemical composition between ferromanganese nitrate and ferromanganese. Okay, the article uh, answers the difference between the two products from the difference in chemical composition, the difference in metallurgical properties, and optimization of a production process. The three actors to answer the question. And then now we will read the fourth difference. It's about the chemical composition between ferromanganese nitrate and ferromanganese. Okay, let's start. Ferromanganese mainly is composed of two elements, manganese and iron, with a manganese content of about 65 to 85%. It's a commonly used alloy additive in steel production. Its working principle is to adjust the manganese content in molten steel to enhance the strength and toughness of steel. According to the different carbon content, ferromanganese is further divided into high carbon ferromanganese, medium carbon ferromanganese, and low carbon ferromanganese. The specification uh, of this ferromanganese is showed on is showed on in this article and from the about the manganese, carbon, silicon, these elements, these elements uh, content. And ferromanganese nitride is a more complex chemical combination with nitrogen added to ferromanganese. 的热。Ferromanganese nitride is a more complex chemical combination with nitrogen added to ferromanganese. The introduction of nitrogen not only improves the melting point and thermal stability of the alloy, but also gives ferromanganese nitride unique metallurgical properties makes making it show extraordinary value in the specific steel manufacturing process. The specifications of ferromanganese nitride of Zhenxian, yes, our companies are showing below. Yes. The specifications of ferromanganese nitride is also shown on this in this article. And if you want to know the detail specifications, please contact us. Yes, to learn more about the ferromanganese nitride or other ferroalloys. And second uh, the second difference in metal between the second differences in metallurgical properties between ferromanganese nitride and ferromanganese impact on steel properties. For example, ferromanganese it mainly acts to improve the strength and toughness of steel, and improve the tensile strength and corrosion resistance of steel by forming a stable manganese-based alloy phase. Specifically, specifically, ferromanganese has the following three effects on steel. The first effect, dioxidation and desulfurization. Ferromanganese is mainly used as a dioxidizer in the steel making process. It can react with oxygen in the molten steel to form manganese oxide. This oxide is lighter and will float to the surface of the molten steel to form a slag layer, thereby reducing the oxygen content in the steel. At the same time, ferromanganese can also react with the sulfur to form manganese sulfide with a higher melting point, which also floats to the surface for removal, reducing the adverse effects of sulfur on the breath, breathness of steel. The second effect on steel is the improvement of strength and hardness. Manganese can significantly improve the strength and hardness of steel. It improves the hardness of steel by solid solution strengthening and the formation of fine carbides, essential, and can also improve the hardenability of steel, so that the steel can obtain a better hardness distribution after quenching. Then the third effect, enhance plasticity and toughness. Although manganese increases hardness, it also enhances the plasticity and toughness of steel, especially in low-carbon steel. This is because manganese can inhibit polite transformation and promote the uniform distribution of ferrite and pearlite, thereby improving the overall performance of steel. And uh, about this, it's the ferromanganese. Ferromanganese uh, effects effects on steel. Then it's about the ferromanganese nitride. Yes, its effects on steel. Let's start. Okay, let's start. The ferromanganese nitrate, in addition to enhancing strength, it can also significantly improve the welding and processing properties of steel. The formation of nitrates makes it less like the formation of nitrates makes it less likely for steel to crack during welding and improve the frag fracture fracture toughness of welded joints. Compared with ferromanganese, ferromanganese nitrate has the following effects on steel. First, grain grain refinement and strength enhancement. The addition of ferromanganese nitrate can promote the refinement of steel grains. This is because ferromanganese nitrate forms stable nitrates in steel. These nitrates act as a spontaneous nucleation cause, which promote the refinement of grains during solidification, thereby improving the strength and plasticity of steel. Then the second effect on steel is to improve welding performance. The nitrogen in ferromanganese nitrate can combine with carbon in steel to reduce the formation of pores and cracks in the weld and improve the quality of the welded joint. The presence of nitrates can also increase the hardness and strength of the weld metal and improve the performance of the welded area. The third effect on steel is to stabilize uh, austenite. Stabilize austenite. In some types of steel, ferromanganese nitrate can stabilize the austenite phase, which means phase, which means that the steel can maintain the structure of austenite even at low temperatures, which is very important for manufacturing steels that require good ductility and impact toughness. The fourth effect The fourth effect is to improve corrosion resistance. The addition of ferromanganese nitrate can sometimes improve the corrosion resistance of steel. This is because the formation of nitrates can prevent the invasion of corrosive media, and manganese itself also has a certain corrosion resistance. The final part is the difference about optimization of production process between the ferromanganese and the ferromanganese nitrate. For ferromanganese, in the steel making process, ferromanganese is mainly used for dioxidation and alloying, which helps to simplify the production process, but has limited improvement in energy consumption and production efficiency. But for ferromanganese nitrate, due to its high thermal stability and oxidation resistance. It can remain stable in a wider temperature range, thereby simplifying the steelmaking process and reducing energy consumption. According to industry reports, the steelmaking process using ferromanganese nitrate can reduce power consumption by an average of 10% to 15%, significantly improving production efficiency. In conclusion, yes, the finally, in conclusion, although both ferromanganese and ferromanganese nitrate are closely related to steel production, they have obvious differences in composition and performance. Understanding this difference will help us make more accurate and reasonable decisions in steel production and material selection. Okay. Okay, the article is over. This article uh, introduced the difference, actually answered the difference between ferromanganese nitrate and ferromanganese from three aspects. The first is the differences in chemical composition. Second is difference in metallurgical properties, and the third is the optimization of production process. Anyone that is also confused between ferromanganese nitrate and ferromanganese can also read these articles to learn more. Maybe it can, I think it's useful. Yes. And anyone who are interested in ferromanganese nitrate and ferromanganese or other ferroalloys, please don't hesitate to contact us. And we are ready uh, to send the quotation. Yes. Uh, and then we can read another article. Let's choose this item. Ah, now I'm interested in the production of ferronickel. Nickel, yes, the production of ferronickel and the ferrosilicon Aluminum, aluminum is okay. I want to choose the production of ferronickel. Yes. Let's read the production of ferronickel. It's published on 11th June 6月11号的。Okay, this article are preparation, smelting, refining, casting, and cooling. It introduce the production of ferronickel clearly. Okay, let's start. The ferronickel, also known as the ferronickel or FENI, is an alloy composed primarily of iron and nickel, typically with varying proportions of other elements such as manganese, zinc, and carbon. It serves as a critical raw material in the production of stainless steel, particularly in types containing nickel, where it imparts corrosion resistance, strength, and toughness to the final product. The production process of ferronickel involves several stages, including ore preparation, smelting, refining, and casting. Here's a general overview of the process. Production process involves ore preparation, smelting, refining, and casting. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps. Okay, the first step is our preparation. From mining to from mining nickel ores predominantly laterite or sulfide ores are extracted from mines. Beneficiation. The extracted ores undergo a series of physical processes to remove impurities and increase the concentration of nickel. This may include crushing, grinding, and magnetic or gravity separation. The production is a little boring. I want to read another. Let's choose another. Okay. Oh, I find another interesting item. It's why choose custom silicon called wire. I'm interested in it now. Let's read it. Let's change to read this article. It's published on 10th July. Okay, let's read the article. Why choose custom silicon cordware? Okay. Custom silicon cordware is a wire product formed by wrapping custom silicon alloy in steel strips through a special process. It's designed to more accurately and efficiently add two important elements, silicon and calcium, to molten steel to improve the quality and performance of steel. In this article, the pictures of custom silicon coldware is shown in it. And then it's about custom silicon coldware characteristics. Calcium silicon coldware has a series of unique characteristics. First, its composition is uniform and stable, ensuring consistent results every time. Ensuring consistent results every time it's used. Second, it has good corrosion, corrosion resistance and oxidation resistance, and can maintain its performance unchanged during storage and use. In addition, due to the core structure, calcium silicon alloy isn't easy to scatter and lose during transportation and use. The second is calcium silicon coldware used in the metallurgical industry. This introduces its uh, advantages. In the metallurgical industry, calcium silicon coldware plays an indispensable role. First, the oxidation effect. The calcium element in calcium silicon coldware has a strong oxidation ability, which can effectively remove oxygen from molten steel, improve the purity of steel, reduce pores, uh, reduce pores and inclusions in steel, and thus for your and thus significantly improve the quality of steel. Uh, the second effect that desulfurization. Yes. The second effect is desulfurization. Calcium silicon coldware helps to reduce the sulfur content in molten steel, thereby improving the hot working performance and the softness of steel. Then the third effect is to improve the organization and the performance of steel. Adding calcium silicon cold wear in an operate amount can refine the grain of steel, improve the strength, hardness, and softness of steel, and make it more suitable for various complex application scenarios. Okay. Then the third aspect is about the custom silicon cold wheel production process. It's also briefly introduce it. The production process of calcium silicon cold wheel is relatively complex and requires multiple processes to ensure the quality and performance of the product. First, high-quality calcium silicon alloy. High-quality calcium silicon alloy is prepared. And then the steel strip is pre-treated to give it good flexibility and corrosion resistance. Next, the calcium silicon alloy is evenly filled into the steel strip through a special core wrapping equipment and tightly wrapped and uh, tightly wrapped and sealed. Strict quality control is essential throughout the production process, including testing of raw materials, parameter monitoring during production, and inspection of finished products. The one, two, three, the five aspects is the advantages and the features of a calcium silicon cold wheel. Compared with the traditional addition method, calcium silicon cold wheel has many significant advantages and features. First, precise addition. It can achieve precise control of silicon and calcium elements, ensure the accuracy and stability of steel composition, and meet the production needs of various high-end steels. Second is to improve the yield rate. Due to its special packaging structure, it can minimize the burning and volatilization of elements when it's put into molten steel, thereby improving the yield rate of silicon and calcium and reducing production costs. The third is to uniform distribution. It can be quickly and evenly dispersed in molten steel, so that the silicon and calcium elements are more evenly distributed in the molten steel, avoiding the difference in steel performance caused by local uneven composition. And first, the first advantage is environmental protection and energy saving. It reduces it means the calcium silicon cold wear. It reduces the emission of dust and harmful gases. It's more environmentally friendly and also reduces energy consumption. 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 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The advantage. Fifth, the fifth advantage is convenient operation. It's easy to transport, store, and use, which greatly improves the production efficiency and reduces the labor intensity of workers. The final is calcium silicon wire market prospects. The market demand for calcium silicon wire mainly comes from the steel industry. With the development and upgrading of domestic steel industry, the demand for high-quality steel is increasing, which will provide broad prospects for the development of the calcium silicon wire market. It's expected that the calcium silicon wire market will maintain uh, steady growth in the next few years. Okay, the article is also over. Today, we read three articles. Yes, we read three articles. The first is the uh, the first is an article about ferrochrome uses in industrial production, and the second is the difference between ferromanganese and ferromanganese nitride. The third is about the class why choose is why choose calcium silicon wire. Uh, Three articles, and anyone that's interested in those products or other ferroalloys, please don't hesitate to contact us. Okay, that's all. Bye bye.